Hey, Max here. I'm creative engineer at Zoo, and I would like to show how can you edit the model using Zookeeper, our ML-powered chat, or using the feature tree, or even the code pane, and how all three work as one. For example, I'm changing the bold spacing in both directions. So I've changed the size of the plate without even looking at the feature tree. It helps a lot if you need some changes, but you don't have time for it and you want to delegate this work. Otherwise, you can also open the feature tree and edit those parameters yourself. Or you can also make those changes in the code pane. Everything that exists in the feature tree is reflected in the code as well. But make sure that after you do those manual changes, let Zookeeper know about them. Otherwise, it might override them on the next prompt. This way, Zookeeper, feature tree, and code pane, they all work as one. If you have any questions, leave the comment below, or on X, or in our Discord community.